Hello everyone, welcome to the Learn Go Programming from Beginner to Advanced course. My name is John Boz, and let me briefly introduce myself. After working for about 3 years in 4 different software companies in Turkey, I have been focusing on training and consulting for the last 4 years. On Udemy, this is my 30th course, and I have around 75,000 students. Most of my Turkish software courses hold the bestseller label. This Go course is my 4th course in English. Now, let's talk about what you will learn in Go. We start from the very beginning. In the Getting Started section, I explain the basics of Go. We cover data types, how to print values, and how to get input from the user. Then we move on to operators. After that, I explain Go routines and other core concepts. We explore functions, then stack structures, and finally, the more advanced topics like pointers, interfaces, Go routines, and channels. All of these are explained in 117 lessons. By the end of this month, I will also add exercises for all these topics, as well as Go projects at the end of the course. Once all the lessons are ready, I decided to publish the course. It's a very comprehensive and well-prepared course, and I hope you find it useful and enjoyable.